Why am I here? I'm here to perform the commissioning of this project, 10.98, almost 11 kilometers of road, built by a reputable company and delivered in record time of 8 months. I want to congratulate the governor for what he has done. I want to thank him for remembering this community. I want to thank him for remembering from where he came. It is very easy not to remember, but he remembered and came back. God will continue to bless you. Amen. I want to also congratulate him for the great job he's doing in Rivers State. I have always said it, that leadership is service. Anytime leadership departs from service, then you are getting it wrong. And service should be service to the people, not service to a very few interests. Anytime you are serving few people rather than the majority, you need to go and look at yourself again. So for me, it is all about good governance. And we have collaborated, not today, not yesterday, but for a very long time. We come back a long way. Even from the time he served under my friend and brother, Amaechi, and then, even before then, he served under Dr. Peter Odili. So he's very grounded. Clearly, he came prepared. And I don't believe that any distraction is enough to take his focus away from the welfare and interest of the people. So I can assure you, Rivers people, that the dividends of democracy that you are seeing now is still dress rehearsal. It is early morning. And I'm sure that in no distant future, we will be commissioning roads. I understand there are about 4 roads to commission today. But we are taking this one only because we have to run. So my charge to Eleme people and people of River State is to continue to support their governor. Anyhow you flip and dice it, power belongs to God. No human being can arrogate to himself the capacity to give power, except if you have the capacity to give life. Of course, you can take life, but you cannot give it.